Everybody, this is Ori from Circuit, and I'm going to show you how to remove referral spam from your Google Analytics account. So basically, referral spam are different spammers that are trying to get their data, their domain name, get some kind of mention or some kind of information in your data, basically this data will kind of manipulate your data, your averages in a bad way, and you basically want to remove it. Okay, so I basically logged into one of our accounts right here, went to the acquisition tab, all traffic and source medium. Okay, now if I scroll down, then I'll be able to see all of the places all the sources that traffic came from my website, from an external website or external place into my website. So for example, Google Organic and Yahoo and Facebook, etc. Now, if I go down in the list, I'll be able to see some domains that I don't recognize that seem to already be kind of fishy or seem to already be potential spam. So for example, this number 10, which is rank-checker.online. So this one, I'm already familiar with it, and I know it's a spam, referral spam site, but you can either go to the website or not. Of course, it might be just a kind of a dangerous website or something you don't want to give traffic to these referral spam businesses. And once you actually know that, and there's actually a lot of websites that talk about them and keep databases of all the referral spam. But one of the things you can know is, one is if it's a website you don't know and it has a lot of dashes or strange domains or top level domains, things like that. The other one is you can see if the bounce rate is just very, very high, for example. So that's a pretty common characteristic of these referral spams. So of course, sometimes also new users. So maybe the same IP or the same user would come visit again and again. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is take a list of all of these. Okay, so go one by one by one. In this case, we'll just take an example of these two. So this one and this one, monetizationking.net. This is also a spammy one. Okay, and so what you're going to do is go to the actual admin of your specific store view. Okay, view, and you're going to go to the filters section right here, and you're going to add. So I've already added a few, but basically you're going to add a new filter, and you're going to call it a certain name. So I like to call it remove spam, and then I'm going to call it number 3 because I already had a few, and click on custom, select the filter field. In this case would be campaign source. Okay, and just put the domain name right there. Now, that's it. So once you finish that, you can click on the verify this filter to figure out if you actually set it up correctly. Now, the verify filter doesn't always work, and the reason for that is either you have it in a different filter or you have so few visits that it won't find it for you, but you can basically try and then review this. So let's actually take one more right here, which is this monetizationking.net. And if you want to have more than one, you're going to use the pipe key. So shift and then typically the button that's the key button that's above the enter sign. And I'm going to add another one. Okay, so let's click on verify again. Okay, let's see if we have anything. Typically, if it does find the verification, you'll have a table that shows the domain name and the numbers, and that's it. So once I do that, I'm going to click on save, and that's it. I'm basically finished. So now I have a new filter. Please note that the filter only removes data from the same second you create the filter and on. So anything that happened before, these filters will not remove. So it's from this day today and forward. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be very happy to help. Thanks.